Abdul Fattah Safiu akasa or try say obetire your memo or explaining your also a very hurt nebusuafo ye hurt or you disappointed na Kumasi Asante Kotoko ade a omode aye no ne de odwen ho a he doesn't see any sense in it in some day waka bi pa ne nyina wo ha me de bro e wo fi ampa cho aha e super 24 TV wadaroma unsubscribe ya no wa hit subscribe button no so na wabo adoma no so they are build it together. We follow your social media handles no so Facebook super 24 TV, Instagram no Kumasi blog man. Abdul Fattah Safiu ni Kumasi Asante Kotoko nsemi baby a ekeka ko no enye na Fattah ni interview we no kra no asemba ko kan say ono kra nya ya nka ebekọ asem we na nka wo say solve ni fie but wo pese solve ni fie a wo so de akodan PFAG for say PFAG for enko ntokwa ma but mo am yan solve ni fie sanka wo sanka solve ni fie but ono so chire mu say sa lete na ode ba Kotoko de ba bontin a chire say no na injury no ho na ode be ball ye na nka ode isie Kumasi Asante Kotoko no egu nanim ase papa a enim guase a ede abre no enye enim guase ketwa. Yes, and no, let's put that one on basis. And no titiri pa intina adeno asheno. Yes, now koso chire say na Kotoko for no munim say o injury na omukoye bibia na omusa koye an interview di ko to YouTube no. Won nsem o kan na o de ma me put on mouse si a o say I have been treated like I've never served Kumasi Asante Kotoko before. Or say you're more treating it says there on some Kumasi Asante Kotoko krada. We should have settled this in peace. Also nanki ye we no one will be with the club forever. Will be anyone on the club never forever. Even Herbert Mensah is gone. Herbert Mensah crab you have to know how to deal with player who has served the club. And also say what's a who kwanya befaso any player was some club no so I came to play with my heart out, but again what the club has done to me is not fair. They have published the story claiming that I'm injured. Meanwhile, it is not true. Or say only oba say nko na kuma kan mu ba bebo, but the club no e dey aye na enye fair. Kotoko published a story say ono no injury, but still na ono no meanwhile na enye no kre. Or say do you want to destroy my career? Why did you unveil me after my medical test? Or say, I didn't try to unveil me after medical test. Open so good man say ana. And I also say it doesn't make sense. Why did you make interviews and put them on your YouTube channel for people to watch so that you can get money? No, because I didn't try to interview. I did go YouTube say I'm for her. Send me ubenyeska. How? What the club? Which club will do this, and how can a player be unveiled after failing his medical? And all questions we as a club bang and the bay we na club bang and Bekwako unveiled player abra onim say wa failing the medical test. In some day interview what can be pan. My family is going through a lot of pains. I've served the club before and I've put smile on their faces before. Or say na busuafo koniomem na ono no was some club ne pen and or the Serie Abre club no supporters ne ade. What have I done? And obuza say a day no why. We are very emotional, but me the PFAG na wakọ no wono so ajampe gan no. Also nkonya abotere asem we still na ebetimi asiesie ni fie. Or what do you think senior citizens are more here? Mo etie fra mono ne abruchire Ghana ne ade. What do you think? Asem we no still na ebetimi asiesie. There is no need say ono so kwotwe asem no with PFAG. Obetimi de wadwenkyere atowa.